Have you ever seen a sign for 50% off and felt that little thrill? Or watched your phone battery hit 100% and felt a sense of relief? We use percentages every day, but what are they really? The secret is hidden right there in the name. Per-cent is Latin for every 100. That's the whole concept. A percentage is just a way of talking about parts of a whole, as if that whole was sliced into 100 equal pieces. Think of a 10 by 10 grid, 100 tiny squares. That grid is your secret weapon. If you want to see what 35% looks like, you just shade in 35 of those squares. Suddenly, an abstract number becomes a clear picture. This is why percentages are so powerful. They take any group, whether it's a class of 28 students or the capacity of a phone battery, and put it on the same easy-to-compare scale of 100. And percentages aren't alone. They have close mathematical cousins, fractions and decimals. 75% is just another way of saying 75 out of 100, which is the fraction 3/4, or the decimal 0.75. They're all describing the same amount. But what about when things go beyond the limit, like 150%? It might sound impossible, but it just means you have more than one whole. If a company's profits are 200% of last year's, it means they doubled. If you have 2 full pizzas, you have 200% of a single pizza. So the next time you see that percent symbol, don't just see a number. See a story told in 100 parts. It's a simple but powerful tool for making sense of the world, 100 pieces at a time.